Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off the watch and removing the band so nothing catches. This protects internals. Next, warm the bezel or back at about 40-50 degrees for 30 to 60 seconds to soften adhesive. This makes separation predictable. Once done, use a suction cup and plastic picks to lift the glass slowly. Pry at multiple points, not one spot, to avoid cracking. Make sure to place screws and tiny parts in a parts tray, labeled by location, so reassembly is smooth. You now focus on the connectors and the screen assembly. After opening, identify the small brackets and unscrew them carefully. Count turns and keep them separated. Then use a plastic spudger to lift the display flex cables. Disconnect slowly to avoid tearing. Once disconnected, remove the old glass and clean adhesive residue with isopropyl. Before installing, compare the new screen to ensure connector alignment and adhesive placement match exactly, because correct positioning prevents pressure points and touch issues later. You finish by installing new adhesive or double-sided tape, aligning the screen precisely, and pressing from the center outward to expel air. This avoids trapped bubbles. Make sure to reattach flex cables and brackets, tightening screws just fingertip snug so you don't strip threads. Once reassembled, power on the watch and run a touchscreen and display test to verify functionality. If the touch is unresponsive, reboot into safe mode or reseat the connectors. Often a loose
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.